In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your mouse is lagging and stuttering in your Brazilian PC. So first of all, you need to go to your start menu, right click on it, then go to settings, then go to the left and click on Bluetooth and devices. Then go to the right and find this mouse option, click on it, and then just turn off this scroll inactive windows when hovering over them. Turn it off, and that's it. This will fix your mouse lagging problem. And if that doesn't work for you, here's another solution. Just go to the start menu, right click on it, click on run, and here type main.cpl, click OK. And after that, you will come to this mouse properties. Just go to the pointer options. Now if we have display pointer trails, turn it on like this. You just need to uncheck it, apply, and OK. And this will also fix the problem. And if that doesn't work for you, there's another solution. Just go to the search bar, search for device manager, click on it. Then here you need to find your mice and other pointing devices, expand that option, click your mouse as I am using the e-learning device, right click on it and uninstall the device. It will uninstall the device and you just need to restart your PC. So after uninstalling the device, you cannot use your mouse. So what you need to do is just press Windows key, then press tab, then tab to go to your Windows account, then use the arrow key to go to the left, then press enter, then just press enter to restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, it will install your mouse driver, and hope this will fix the mouse problem that you have in Windows 11. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.